It's finished, just copy the description, go back to Etsy, paste it here, and then scroll down a bit, and you want to enter a price for your image. So for example, I'm just going to enter $5. Then scroll down again, and for this selection here that says digital files, you just need to click on this button here to upload this in PDF format. And then you can see here that Etsy doesn't offer returns or exchanges on this product because it's digital art. So once you enter all of this information, all you have to do is click on save and continue, and then you'll need to enter your PayPal account or bank account details in order to get paid. And after that, your store will be published. And once it's been published, Etsy will start showing your images and digital art to visitors who come here and search for a keyword related to your product. And if buyers give you good reviews and they're satisfied with your digital art, Etsy will start showing your images and digital arts to a lot more people, which will make you a lot more money. So you want to focus on satisfying your customers by providing them with high quality and attractive digital arts. Another very important tip is you don't want to upload only one image or only one digital art. You want to upload as many of these as you can, and the more images and digital arts you upload, the more money you'll end up making. So now let me show you a bonus way to get faster results. I want you to go to facebook.com